Installation. First, detach the original toilet seat and lid. Prepare the bolt, attachment plate, packing A, packing B and nut. Slide the bolts into the attachment plate. The holes in the attachment plate will allow flexible adjustment for the bolt to fit into the toilet's sockets. After that, slide the attachment plate into the guide rail at the bottom of Easy Clean Bidet. Then slide packing B into the bolts until it touches Easy Clean Bidet. Insert the bolts into the sockets on the toilet. Adjust the bidet accordingly. Then slide packing A and nuts into the bolts and tighten it. Now it is time to install the filter unit and junction water plug. Filter unit is to be installed underneath the controlling knob. Push the loose end of the filter unit up firmly and turn it anti-clockwise until it is tightened. Insert the rubber ring from packing C into the junction water plug. Then attach the appropriate water valve or hose. On the other end, connect the flexible hose to the filter unit. After connecting the hose to the filter unit, the Panasonic